You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. In today's video, guys, I am going to quickly share with you guys how to use this powerful strategy that I shared with you guys in my previous videos to trade crash 300 index, guys. So all you just need to do for yourself right now is for you to really pay very close attention and be sure you follow all the instructions I'm going to share with you guys, because most of you have been requesting about this video, and that was the reason I tried my best to record this video and share with you guys how you are going to trade crash 300 index, even other boom and crash indices, with this particular strategy that I've been sharing with you guys for the past two of my previous videos. Do well to implement everything that you are going to learn here, and it will be very important that you do that for yourself. And also, with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into my computer here. Let me share with you guys what you really need to do and what you really need to watch out for before taking any position on with this strategy on boom and crash. Alright, guys, you are highly welcome to my channel once again today. In today's video, guys, I'm going to quickly share with you guys how to trade crash 300 index profitably and successfully with this specific strategy that most of you have been requesting that I record a video around it, and show you guys how to trade profitably using this specific strategy. All right, so if you watched my previous videos, you will understand that I explained something in that video, and which indicates that if you want to be profitable using this strategy, you just need to start the analysis from daily time frame, at least if you are trading boom and crash with this strategy. So, and most of you have been requesting that I show them what I was talking about. So if you are trading any of the boom and crash indices using this strategy, let me show you how or what you need to look out for before you can open any position, probably on sell or buy. All right, by default crash buys and by default boom sells. In this scenario, we are using crash 300 index, which is what you are seeing right now here on my chart, and this is daily time frame. All right, the reason I love trading crash 300 index is the fact that it is very volatile. It's the fastest pair among boom and crash, and hence this is the fastest pair among boom and crash. I love trading any pair that has volatility in it. So now this is how it moves. The way it gives you money is the same way it takes money away from you. So you just need to understand how it moves before you be able to trade it profitably and successfully. Now, I said that one thing in my previous video, that if you want to be trading boom and crash using this strategy, you must start the analysis on daily time frame at least. For you starting your analysis from daily time frame will enable you see the pure direction of that particular pair that you are trading at that same time. All right, so this is how it moves, guys, and this is what I want you guys to be looking out for. Now, when you look at my chart here, this is daily time frame. As you can see right now, this is daily time frame. All right, so, and this is crash 300 index. Now, whenever this particular look at the RSI that I added here, which I'm going to share the settings with you guys, and if you watch the previous videos, you'll be able to have the settings of these two indicators that you are seeing here that make up our our strategy here. All right, so now I'm going to still share the strategies with you guys, so that the settings with you guys, so that you'll be able to set your screen this way. But before we dive into that, let me share with you guys this thing that I want you guys to be looking out for. Look at this here. Since we are on daily time frame, I want you guys to look at this particular place here. Do you see this place here? I believe you can see here. All right, and then when you look at this RSI, you will see that this line of RSI is above this 50 level here. All right, sorry, is above this 50 level. Whenever you're on your daily time frame this way and the RSI is above 50 level, and then look at this here, you see the price action is reversing from this particular place. You can see pure direction of the market here. All right, you can see this is a pure direction of the market. You can see that all the whole consolidation, all the whole small baby spikes that have been happening here, as soon as this particular line crosses this particular 50 level, look at this bullish engulfing candle that popped up here on crash 300 index on daily time frame. Now if it goes to your 4-hour time frame, let me go to 4-hour time frame. Let's locate that particular place that we marked. All right, this is the place here. Look at what I'm saying, guys. All right, now what this simply means is this: from your higher time frame, which is your daily and 4-hour time frame, you have seen that crash is buying throughout that day. All right, whatever that you might be seeing on your lower time frames, if it is selling on your lower time frame, that is a pullback, and you wouldn't like the situation whereby you'll be caught on that pullback. So for you to really know the direction of that particular pair that you are trading, in this scenario we are trading crash 300 index. For you to know the direction of crash 300 index at this particular period of time, just go to your daily time frame. Once you spot that this RSI is above 50 level and this market is reversing, you can see different types of consolidation and all that, ranging market. And as soon as this line of RSI crossed above this particular 50 level, you can see that impulsive bullish engulfing candle that was established, and that is when you will go to your lower time frame to look for your entry. Now we have seen that bullish engulfing candle on daily time frame, and when we come to this our 4-hour time frame here, you can see that this line is clearly above our 50 RSI line. And look at this here. All right, look at what is happening. That is this particular the bullish engulfing candle that we saw on daily time frame must have been crossed this middle line of Bollinger Band. And once you spot it like this, now whatever that you are going to see on probably 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame, if it happens to be selling on those time frame, you don't need to really consider it, because once you spot it like this on a higher time frame, all you just need to do is for you to go to a lower time frame. Probably let me check let me look at 15-minute time frame. On our 15-minute time frame, you will see that those candlesticks, those marking that was at this particular place, will be like on top like this on on those lower time frame. Why? Because they are open to accepting many noise, all right, from the candlestick. The more you are getting down to the lower time frame, the more noisy the candlestick will be. Okay, let's locate that particular that particular box that we use to draw those that particular zone at our higher time frame. Look at it here, guys. You see what I was telling you guys? Look at this here. All right, look at it here. This is the marking. This is the box that we use to mark those things on higher time frame that you were seeing at the bottom here. Still, you can see what I'm telling you here. Look at this here. Look at this here. You see this? All right. So now, on your higher time or your lower time frame, what you saw on your higher time frame, which is at the discount price here or at the discount zone, might be on premium zone, which is this place here. So all you just need to do is for you to check another time frame, which is probably let me go to let me say okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame. Now when I check this on 1 hour time frame, let's see where we are going to find that on 1 hour time frame. Look at it here on 1 hour time frame. Look at this here. All right, look at it here. So I don't know the account size that they have that is going to allow you take these spikes. All right, because once you see it this way, that daily time frame showing you trend, that's uptrend, all right, and a 4 hour time frame showing you uptrend, it means the lower time frame must have a pullback for it to regain strength to go to the direction. All right, it's as simple as that. So all you just need to do is for you to be scalping within the time frame, and as soon as the time frame, the higher time frame is approaching, you just have to open your position towards what you saw on higher time frame. And if you have big account size, my best or the way I trade is this: if I analyze this way, just as we saw on daily time frame here, and you can see what we marked here, this is a discount level for us to buy on this particular crash, 300. But from this particular zone that you're seeing, that is where we have been seeing all those mighty drops. And when you look at it this way, guys, I want you to get something straight here. Let's say, for instance, this is where we want to open our position towards buy on what we saw on this daily time frame. Now we might be on this trade on buy all these ones. Then look at this particular one here. Look at this here. Look at this spike that happened here. That was one of those major downtrend that you were seeing on lower time frame, where we headed to lower time frame. This is it here. All right, this is it. These are those major sales that you were seeing that caused this particular thing that we draw here, this box that we draw here, to be seen at this zone. This is it here. All right, this thing that you are seeing here. All right, so now after it resumed, if we happens to check this, let's use our crossbar to check this. Look at this here. All right, if you look at this is when this thing started here. All right, this is when it started. Then if you move this particular crossbar to this particular place, then you will see that it has resumed the normal procedure, which is the normal trend, which is uptrend here. Just the same thing that happened from the zone here. So if it goes up, it must correct that movement, that impulsive move, which is by default. This is an impulsive move now. All right, this particular one is not an impulsive move. This is a correction. The impulsive move always moves very fast, and that is spiked when it comes to trading boom and crash. So that is why most of you have been requesting that you want to learn how to be catching spikes. What you indirectly telling us is the fact that you want to learn how to be trading impulsive moves, and we are few that can show you how this impulsive move, when to catch this impulsive move on a trade. With what I have analyzed here, you'll be able to catch all those impulsive moves. Look at it. This is an impulsive move. This is an impulsive move. This is an impulsive move. All right. Let me keep on going. This is an impulsive move. You can see this here. All right, serious impulsive move. All right, but now you can see that this market is buying, but this buying, or this particular buying that this market is showing us here, I am not satisfied with it, because look at our RSI. Our RSI is below this 50 moving average. I am not satisfied with this buy. So I can only be satisfied to open a position for buy when this RSI is above this place, and this particular buy has crossed this middle line of Bollinger Band on daily time frame. So that is when, if I go to my lower time frame, I will know, okay, this is now buying. All right, I will buy, and the buy that I'm buying, if I feel like I want to do a swing trade with that buy, when those two requirements are met, which is this line above here, and this particular buy crosses above this middle line of Bollinger Band, if I want to open a swing trade, I can do that and have peace of mind. Whatever crash that happened is not going to come back to this place. It's just going to crash a little bit just this way for a correction, and it will continue. But if you buy below, just as it is now, and below this place, it might decide to get to this line of this middle line of Bollinger Band, and it will crash back, which is, you cannot blame it, because this has not crossed, it has not verified the buy. All right, just try and learn how it works before you start blowing your money. All right, it's very, very important that you learn how all these things works before you start engaging yourself on trade. All right, so now, now that I have explained how all these things work, this is supposed to be the the teaching, or the classes that I'm supposed to be hosting with my premium student, but I'm doing all these things for you guys to learn. All right, I just want you guys to learn and make use of it and help yourselves. All right, so now when you look at all these things here, whenever the price is above this place, you will see that if men looking at it, you will see that the number of buys, All right, the number of green candles that you are seeing within this place that are circle is more than the number of red candles that you are seeing within this place. Why? Because look at this here, the line is above this place. All right, but when you look at this, it's just a common sense. When you look at when the line crossed this below this 50 level, look at how many number of green candle are you seeing here. The number of red candle that you are seeing here is higher than the number of green candle that you are seeing, because the line is below this place. Get this straight, guys. It's as simple as that. I don't know how else to explain this to you guys, so that you too, or you guys, will learn quickly and start making money for yourself. The good news about today's video is the fact that I have opened a Telegram channel, and what you just need to do for yourself is for you to click on the link in the description of this particular video that you are watching. I'm going to leave the link to my Telegram channel in the description of this particular video that you are watching right now. And if you want me to mentor you, and that does not stop you from joining the Telegram channel in the description of this video. Once we get to a probably 1 to 2,000 subscribers on Telegram, I am going to share one of my program for free for you guys there. All right, so that you will always know how to go about this. And that does not mean that I am going to also be dropping some days I'm going to be dropping a free signals for you guys to trade on my Telegram channel. I've opened a Telegram channel, which most of you have been requesting that I open a Telegram channel, and I've done that because I opened it before, and it was not that long, and scammers start using my name and all that. So but I've opened the new one. Whenever you want to join my Telegram channel, be sure you go to the description of my video and pick whether you want to join to request for mentorship program. Always go to my video description to add me through the numbers, the channel, the communication channel that will be in the description of this particular video that you are watching right now. So if you are getting value from this video, do not forget to smash that like button, and also do well to share this video here with your friends and family that are also struggling on how to make money trading all these pairs. So what I've explained to you guys and exposed here is very, very vital and enough for you guys to start making money. If you are not making money after watching all these things, just as I said in my previous video, something is wrong. You need to work on yourself. All right, so now with this common sense that I've shared with you guys here, let me first quickly share with you guys the settings before I will forget. Then click on this F icon. Probably on your own phone it will show F icon. Then the Bollinger Band, just take screenshot of what you are seeing right now, and be sure to set your screen like this. And after setting it up, just click on this particular done here, and it will be imputed. And then you go back to the F icon again. I open the RSI, take screenshot of what you are seeing, and be sure this particular level here, you'll be able to set it like this. Just click on this pencil icon here, and you're good to go. You impute all those digits and you click done again, and that is the the strategy, that is the settings that you are seeing here that you can use to make money. So for most of you that have been buying crash 300 index at this zone, you are risking your account. All right, you are taking heavy risk. So you just have to go to your 4-hour time frame. If you go to your 4-hour time frame, you can see this here. Look at this. You can see this is the time that you're supposed to be buying, but for you to buy right now, you just have to wait for this. Look at this. You see where the price is currently at. All right, so you just have to wait for that crash that is going to happen. Once that once this price crashed from this particular place to this middle line of Bollinger Band, by then this RSI is going to pend head on this particular 50 level. It's not going to go beyond this. It's going to pend head here. Then after you might have seen this crash as it's coming here, you will now open your position towards buy, and you scalp a little bit. You scalp. You cannot be trading comfortably and leave your trade to run when trading boom and crash. I keep on telling you guys this. There is no any pair out there that you will start trading whereby you will just open a position pair and the trade will run into profit immediately. The other way, or the way that the market makers or the people that offered all this boom and crash is going to get their money back is for, hence they are luring you people, they are they are cajoling you people into trading boom and crash. I made I think in one of my videos, one of my previous videos, or my recent video, I made a video and I was talking about if you're a newbie, it's better off you stay clear from trading boom and crash volatility 75 index. All right, because I had a reason of saying this, because once you open boom and crash, immediately boom and crash will run into profit. All right, especially boom and crash. Once you open it, it will run into profit, and once it starts running into profit, it will not take time, or it will not be that long, and it will crash. And the amount of profit that you have gathered so far will not be enough to cover the loss that you are going to encounter. It can only take who is an experienced trader to know his or her way around trading boom and crash. Just as I am, I cannot lose that amount of money to boom and crash. Why? Because I know where to hop in, I know where to go out. But most of you will just open boom and crash, and as you are seeing the profit, you will be feeling comfortable, you will be feeling on top of the world. Whereas this is not the way to go about it, because you don't even know if the pair is trending upward then or is trending downward. So the best way to go about it, once you spot this crash, babies, whether it is a baby spike, but once it spikes, hence this particular line is above this place, now you will see that you can buy. And if you are buying, you will be targeting, look at this here, you will be targeting this zone. Simple. But I am not saying that if you open your position at this zone, you should stay on this trade till this zone. No, scalp. All right, keep scalping. Once you scalp a little bit, then you go out of the trade, you allow it to crash again, because the crashing is not going to go deep, because already the trend is changing. But if it is here, if it is somewhere here, all right, if it is somewhere here and this line is below this place, I will not advise it. That does not mean that you are not going to see opportunities for you to buy within this zone. You are going to see many opportunities for you to buy within this zone. But if you don't know the trend of this particular pair at that moment, if you buy, it's going to crash. And look at this here. Overall trend is showing you downward. And look at it here. It's as simple as that. So if you want me to mentor you on how to, trade all these pairs profitably and successfully, do where to use the number in the description of this video. And also do yourself that favor and join my Telegram channel, which I just created today, or I just created of recent, and I decided to share the link in the description of this video. Join the Telegram channel, while sometimes some days I'm going to be sharing with you guys free signals there. All right, so that is how it is. And do where to smash that like button, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube is going to pop notification to that I've shared another valuable content. And beside, I am going to be giving you guys update on which pair to trade and which pair not to trade, and the time that is supposed to be trading on my Telegram channel. Do where to join the Telegram channel, just as I said earlier in the description of this video as well. So that is how it is, guys. Signing out, Olites. Peace.